how to make our vocabulary stronger and how to increase the variety of vocabulary we have. Now, lots of times what people do is that they don't actually know how to do vocabulary. They make flashcards, they do a lot of stuff, they read daily. They don't get to anywhere, and I've had my own fair share of that, and honestly, I know how it is. I have personal experiences. I have a certain times that I didn't know how to speak good English. I was a student too. So here I'm going to be telling you the best way to increase your variety and to make your vocabulary stronger and better. So first of all, what I'm going to ask you to do is make sure you're free in the summer and have round about 40 days so you can do this practice, you can do this little ritual with me daily, and you're going to be able to get up to new heights of vocabulary, new heights of knowledge, and new heights of understanding by the end of this month, by the end of this actually summer vacations. So the point here is you're not gonna skip this one. First of all, we have which is the article method. Now, why do I call it the article method? You're gonna know in a little moment. Now, lots of times what article method is about actually going ahead, reading the article. What's so special about that? Go ahead and highlight and circle or whatever you want to call it. Do it and highlight any word that's difficult. Highlight any words that's a little bit out of use or you don't know how to use that word even though you know the meaning or you don't have the knowledge about that word. Highlight those words and read that paragraph again. Read that paragraph